Tesla may be negotiating plans for a huge new factory in Spain. Rumors are claiming that Tesla might be currently negotiating a deal to construct an electric vehicle (EV) assembly factory in the region of Valencia, Spain that will require an investment of over $4.5 billion. The company is making plans for a larger reach across the world and a greater annual production capacity. It appears Tesla is negotiating with the Generalitat Valenciana and has reportedly signed a confidentiality agreement. The local newspaper Cinco Días alleges that this is partially compared to Volkswagen's upcoming EV battery factory in the same area. Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, has still not commented on the story or any rumors about it. Generalitat President Ximo Puig has unveiled the regions that could give residence to around 10 major companies. At the moment, that is all the information available on this developing story. But should more details become known, they will be shared. Source: reposted and summarized from Stephen Loveday at Inside EVS.